What's up, you guys? Hope you are having a fantastic day today. So, you're probably wondering, it's been 2 years, where have you been? It's a valid question. Let me explain. So, for the past 2 years, I was serving as a missionary for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. And it was something I really wanted to do, and it is definitely an experience that has changed my life. I was able to see a lot of people find joy, and I was able to find joy through Jesus Christ. And I served in a lot of really cool areas down in Southern California. I served in Desert Hot Springs, Redlands, Fontana, Yucaipa, Hesperia, and Apple Valley. And if you're from any of those places, let me know. Shoot me a message on Instagram. I'd love to talk about it. Maybe we know some similar people. Or if you'd just like to learn more about my experience as a missionary, shoot me a message as well. I don't want to talk about it a whole lot on this channel because I know the focus is on technology and I want to keep it on that. So, speaking of this channel, I'm going to continue to move forward. We're going to talk about the future of this channel right now. And I'm going to keep making videos. I enjoy doing it, and I hope you enjoy watching these videos, and I hope they continue to get better as I continue to make them as well. Because that's something I want to do as well. I want to make these videos better. And if there's anything specifically you all would like to see on this channel, let me know down in the comments. Or if there's like a follow-up video you want to see to one of the videos I made over 2 years ago, I can do that as well. I'd be happy to do that. Just let me know down in the comments. There's going to be also a couple updates happening on this channel. The next couple days you're going to see after this video goes up. A few updates will happen. So, if you're watching this video and you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And speaking of subscribers, we just reached a big landmark. We just reached 500 subscribers, which is pretty cool. According to YouTube Creator Studio, if we really wanted to, and I could afford it, we could all jump into a big jumbo jet and fly to Hawaii or something like that. And we could have a party or something. Celebrate this big achievement of 500 subscribers. I don't know. It'd be pretty cool. But thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you are happy to have me back, continuing to making these videos. Like I said, if there's anything you would like to see, leave it down in the comments and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Love y'all.